how to remove recycle bin on desktop on Windows 11. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, go here on our desktop. And once we are now on our desktop, the next thing that we need to do is to right click on this part and then click display settings. And then once you click display settings right there, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the personalization, and then on this part, just click themes. Then once you click themes right there, you will see this desktop icon settings. So all you have to do is to click on that. And then as you can see right here, the recycle bin is enabled on the desktop icon settings. So all you have to do if you want to remove it is to uncheck this part right here and then click apply and then click OK. Now if you go back on the desktop, as you can see, the recycle bin is now gone on the desktop. Now if you want to bring it back, all you have to do is to go back right here and then click desktop icon settings and then click it once again, click apply and OK. And then as you can see, the recycle bin is now on the desktop again. And that is basically it. That is how to remove recycle bin on desktop on Windows 11.